Hello children, let's continue our second chapter. So children, kindly open your book, page number 28. Today we discuss about subtraction. Already you know how to do subtraction. First you see two rules are there. The order of numbers involved in subtraction cannot be changed. Rule number 2. When a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. For example, 11 minus 11 is 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. Then example 4. Subtract 36 lakh 10,281 from 6 crore 28 lakh 91,252. First you see children the place value of the number, then you put, then you do the difference. Then example 5 is find the difference between 2 crore 48 lakh 89,162 and 1 crore 52 lakh 63,528 and check the answer is correct or not. So first you see children which one is minor and which one is subtrahend. The bigger number is minor and the smaller one is subtrahend. Like this you have to write first minor, then subtrahend, then find the difference. Then second question is what? Check the answer is correct or not. How you check? We check by adding the difference and the subtrahend. If you add difference and subtrahend, you get the minor. If your answer is matched to the minor, then your answer is correct. Let's see, this is subtrahend, then difference, then you add. This number is matched to the minor, so your answer is correct. Here children, three rules are there. Minor equal to subtrahend plus difference. Subtrahend equal to minor minus difference. And difference equal to minor minus subtrahend. These are the three basic rules. For example, 10 minus 7 equal to 3. Here 10 is minor, 7 is subtrahend, 3 is difference. As per the first rule, minor equal to subtrahend plus difference. Subtrahend plus difference means 7 plus 3 equal to 10. This is our minor. Then as per rule number 2, subtrahend equal to minor minus difference. Minor minus difference. Minor is 10 and difference is 3. So 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 is the subtrahend. Then difference equal to minor minus subtrahend. Here minor minus subtrahend, then you get 3. 3 is the difference. So clear about these three rules? You use these three rules to check the subtraction is correct or not. So example 6, this one also you put the numbers proper place, then you subtract, then find the difference. Now see exercise 2.2. Arrange in vertical column and subtract. Check the answer. This one you first subtract bigger one from bigger one to smaller one, means minor minus subtrahend. Then what is the answer you get? Again you check this answer is correct or not. You follow the example 5. Then two number is find the difference between this number and that number. You have to choose which one is minor and which one is subtrahend. Bigger one is minor and smaller one is subtrahend. So minor minus subtrahend you do and write in column. Find the missing digits. This one, some blanks are given. First one is see 8 means minor is given and difference is given. You have to find out subtrahend. Already I told you children, subtrahend equal to minor minus difference. So 8 minus 5 is 3. Then here you have to find out minor. Minor means minor equal to subtrahend plus difference. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Then here you have to find out difference. 1 minus 0 is 1. Then here you have to find out subtrahend. Subtrahend equal to minor minus difference. 2 minus 0 is 2. Then here also same, 3 minus 8. This is impossible, so you have to borrow 1. 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 is children 5. Then here 6. Again you check this answer is correct or not. If you add these two numbers, if your answer is matched to the minor, then your answer is correct. Let's see. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 plus 2 is 7. 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 plus 0 is 2. 8 plus 5 is 13. 3. 1 carry. Then here 1 plus 6 is 7. So your answer is correct. Like this you have to do exercise 2.2. This is your homework. Thank you.